Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to move your downloads folder location in Windows 10. I'm making this video because you may have multiple hard drives or SSDs and you want to download your games there without having to move the whole folder from one hard drive to the other. So before I start the video, I want to say that if you did not notice, on my previous videos I have created subtitles, and if you have trouble understanding what I say, make sure you enable the subtitles to understand better. So approximately it takes me about 1 hour to create the subtitles. Well, it depends on how big the video is. For example, a 3 minutes video takes me about half an hour, and a 10 minutes video will take me about 1 hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours. So let's start. What you need to do, first of all, go to the File Explorer, then go to this PC on the left hand side, then on the top right here on the downloads folder, right click and then properties. Then here up in the top which has all of these options, go in the location. Then here by default it's the downloads for the folder here. If you want to change it to the other hard drive, make sure you choose the correct hard drive. To do that, just click move. I'm gonna demonstrate it with this folder right here in the desktop. I'm gonna choose the folder in the desktop. I'm gonna choose it here. Click select folder, then apply. Then it says right here, do you want to move all of the files from the old location to the new location? If you have lots of stuff in the downloads folder, click no, because it may take a lot of time. But I have only 5 to 6 items, I'm gonna click yes. And as you can see right here, it changed the icon to like the download logo. The old download folder right here, it's still here, but if you want to download it, I think no, you cannot download it. Just delete everything right here and leave it empty. And this here is the new download folder. So, and then click OK, and then you're done. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. But for this specific video, you do not need any help. It's pretty much straightforward. You won't have any issues. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.